shines brightest in the darkest storms.
But every storm carries a beginning.
And so begins her journey.
If we never sail, we'll never know what lies beyond.
And so, the little cat sails into the endless blue.
New friends are waiting somewhere beyond the waves. Storm coming.
Climb on, little one.
Help often comes from where we least expect.
Bravery shines brighter when shared with friends. After every storm comes peace and a lesson.
We made it home.
Sometimes the bravest journey brings us home.
Courage is not the absence of fear, but the will to move forward despite it.
Courage is not about being fearless, but about moving forward despite fear.